Hello students, welcome back. Now this video onward we will discuss the further concept of circle. So why to wait? Let's start. Now student, let's solve the sum based on whatever concept I explained in the previous video. In the adjoining figure, the radius of the circle with center C is 6 centimeter. Line AB is tangent at A. Answer the following. Now, when you join C and A, it is the line joining the center and the tangent point, and you know that it is perpendicular to the tangent according to tangent theorem. So, in the first part, we can write CA is perpendicular to AB. Why it is perpendicular? According to which theorem, students? Tangent theorem. So the reason will be tangent theorem. Since it is perpendicular, so my measure of angle CAB is 90 degree. So we have solved this with reason. Now, in the second part, what is the distance of point C from line AB? Y. Now, perpendicular distance of C from AB is 6 centimeter. Why? Because this is radius only. So this radius is 6 centimeter. So what you can conclude, that is therefore C is 6 centimeter away from AB. So understood both the parts? Now in the next part, what they have asked, students, just read it. Distance AB is given 6 centimeter. You are asked to find the BC. Okay. Now for BC, if I join this, you get a right angle triangle. In that, this AB, this is 6. AB is also given 6. So which theorem you can apply? Yes. So apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So your BC is the hypotenuse. So BC square will be equal to AC square plus AB square. Now AC is 6. AB is also 6. So it will be 36 plus 36. So your BC square will be 72. When you take square root on both the side and you solve, your BC will be 6 root 2 centimeter. Understood? Now what is asked in the fourth part? What is the measure of angle ABC? Now since AB and AC is same, it is a which kind of triangle? Identify the type. It is isosceles right angle triangle. What is the another name for this type of triangle? Students, you know, if it is an isosceles right angle triangle, therefore it is 45, 45, 90 type triangle. Okay. So it means both the angles are equal and they are of 45. So your measure of angle ABC is 45 degree. Okay. Now students, let's solve one more sum. In this figure, R is the external point. From there, two tangents are there, RM and RN. Now OR is the line joining the center and the external point R. It is given 10 centimeter. Radius is given 5 centimeter. You are asked to find the length of each segment and tangent segment, angle MRO and angle MRN. So very first what we will do, that your OM is perpendicular to the RM when you join. Same way your ON is perpendicular to the RN. Reason for that is tangent theorem. I am writing short form, but you have to write the full form. So when you join OM and ON, these are perpendicular. Okay. Now your OM is given 5 because OM will be equal to ON. They are the radii of same circle. Okay. So radius is given. It is given 5 centimeter. So your OM is also 5 centimeter. Your ON is also 5 centimeter. Now in any of the one triangle, you can apply Pythagoras theorem to calculate the third side. So suppose apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle RMO. So your OR is the hypotenuse. So OR square will be equal to OM square plus RM square. Now OR is given 10. So your 10 square will be equal to 5 square plus RM square. So your RM square will be 10 square is 100. 5 square is 25. So the subtraction will be 75. So your RM will be square root of 75. And what is square root of 75? 75 means 25 3s are. So it will be 5 root 3 centimeter. So in the triangle, you got the side is 5 root 3. So what is the type of the triangle? Therefore, triangle RMO. Both the triangles are same. So RMO and triangle RNO are 30, 60, 90 type of triangle. Understood? So you know that in 30, 60, 90 theorem, your angle opposite to 30 degree is half of hypotenuse, while angle opposite to 60 degree is root 3 by 2 of hypotenuse. Now what is asked? MRO. MRO is opposite to OM. Correct? Just look again. MRO, that is opposite to OM, and your OM is 5, hypotenuse is 10. So the side opposite to 30 degree. So this will be, this concept we can utilize now. So students, your both the triangles RMO and RNO are 30, 60, 90 type triangle. Now in the second part, they have asked you the angle MRO. So which side is opposite to this? MRO. So OM is opposite to your angle MRO. Since your OM is 5 centimeter, hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. So OM is half of OR. So this angle will be your measure of your angle MRO will be equals to 30 degree. Reverse of 30, 60, 90 theorem we have applied. So what will be your student reason? Converse of 30, 60, 90 theorem. Same way, therefore, other triangle is also same. So your angle MNRO is also 30 degree. Now in the third part, they have told you to calculate angle MRN. So just look at the figure. Your MRN is the addition of both these angles. So you have to add 30 degree plus 30 degree. So your this angle will be 60 degree. Understood, students? Now students, solve one more sum. The tangent to the circle of the radius 6 cm from an external point P is of length 8 cm. Calculate the distance of P from the nearest point of the circle. It means you have to calculate PC. Now first of all, you can write that your CA is a line joining center and tangent point. So your CA is perpendicular to AP. According to tangent theorem, students, we have done in the first video. So your measure of angle CAP is 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle. Which theorem you can apply in right angle triangle? Yes. So apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle PAC. Now students, your PC is the side opposite to 90 degrees. So it is hypotenuse. So PC square will be PA square plus AC square. So therefore, PC you have to calculate. Your PA is 8. AC is 6. So it will be 64 plus 36, which is equals to 100. So your PC will be square root of 100. So your PC will be 10 centimeter. So by applying the tangent theorem, we can prove that it is a right angle triangle. Then by using Pythagoras theorem, remaining side we can calculate. Thanks for watching this video, students. Hope you have understood whatever I explained in this video. Now, if you have any doubt, you can comment or mail. If you like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.